A simple exercise that you can do to strengthen your postural muscles and your upper back muscles at home is just using some form of resistance band and a foam roller. You're gonna want a really, really light resistance band here because having this loop over the palm actually does make a difference in the muscle recruitment. I like the foam roller because the more that you can feel the shoulder blades drop back, so go ahead and let those drop back on the roller, the more you're gonna work some of these muscles that we're looking to work, versus if you reach up, there's a tendency for the pec muscles, which are already pretty much tight on everybody, to do the work here. So you're allowing the shoulder blades to sink, the arms to sink, elbows are straight. Another thing to note here is that we want a little bit of a kick out of the wrist because that will help to activate the outer arm muscles. And then those outer arm muscles connect into the upper back muscles, which is what we're trying to work here. So you've got the drop back, and then you're just gonna pull wide. And you're initiating that motion via the shoulder blades kind of coming back and around the roller. And then you're slowly letting the arms come up, slowing down that motion from the upper back, not the chest muscles. Try one more at that angle. Another thing here is that people oftentimes will arch their back to try to find this. Try to keep the mid back nice and soft, the breath soft. You can then kick it to a 45-degree angle each way, once again minding the wrist position. That'll work a different set of muscles. And then finally, trying to get as close to like a scissoring on either side of your body as possible. You may need to change your grip and hold one static, and pulling up overhead to get shoulders. Thanks for watching.